The Wadden region in the Netherlands, characterised by its smooth coastlines, fertile soil, unique biodiversity, historic cities, ports and coastal infrastructure. This region is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with inestimable waterscape treasures and historical value. But it is not immune to the challenges of climate change. With temperatures increasing, rainfall intensity rising, dry spells lengthening and salinisation worsening, the impacts on this region seem insurmountable. To match this, action is being taken on the ground. Farmers on Texel have historically depended on rainwater and water piped from the mainland for their freshwater needs. As summers grow drier and saltwater intrusion threatens groundwater supply, farmer initiative, the Texel Fresh Future project, aims to help farmers become self-sufficient in this regard. Their strategy centres on improved retention and storage of rainwater, alongside reduced consumption, more efficient distribution and adoption of salt-tolerant crops. The double dike is another example of innovation in multi-purpose coastal protection. Consisting of a high dike on the waterfront and a second, lower inland dike, this approach enhances flood defences while benefiting nature, agriculture and recreation. The two dikes together provide optimal protection against the high water. The area between the two dikes provides space for ecologically valuable salt marshes, as well as innovative, high-value saltwater agriculture. The Afsluit dike has protected large parts of the Netherlands against flooding since 1932. This iconic water infrastructure is being renovated and prepared for the future. An integrated programme will improve the Afsluit dike's economic, energy and ecological capacities. The ecological connection between the Wadden Sea and the IJsselmeer will also be restored by introducing the innovative fish migration river.
We hebben het over ons voorbereiden op het veranderende klimaat. En juist die uitdaging om in die hele nieuwe manier van kijken op dijkversterking, op waterveiligheid, is het helemaal van deze tijd om daarin ook de natuurlijke processen onder water daar in dat ontwerp mee te nemen. Building with nature. Voor zo'n dijk als de Afsluitdijk, een iconische dijk, die 90 jaar geleden al iconisch was. Nou, wat mij betreft dus nu met zo'n vismigratierivier ook voor de komende 90 jaar weer iconisch.
With a long tradition of water management and adaptation, the Netherlands continually embraces new approaches to better prepare for the future. Innovations that realise a vision of water safety whilst building with nature. Such a vision is anchored in a consistent policy framework and is sustained by a long-term budgetary commitment.